Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the forex trading signal analysis. And before going to the analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning that belongs to 12th of March 2020. And guys, the first signal that belongs to my report is EURUSD. So guys, today I have supplied the bearish signal in case of EURUSD from 112761 and 111907 was the entry, was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on EURUSD today, and we have taken the sell positions on this pair, and you can see the expected profit on the screen. So guys, I congratulate all my subscribers who have taken the sell positions today. They must have ended up their day with very good profits. At next, we are going to talk about the New Zealand USD, which is the second pair of my signals report. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of New Zealand USD from 062265 and 061042 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry, the market started to go weaker on the weaker side, and finally it hit the target price with no problem. So it was a big gap to take on New Zealand USD, and if you have taken the sell position on this pair, then hopefully you must have ended up with a very good profit by trading this pair. At next, let's talk about the USDCHF. I'm going to take you towards the report. So USDCHF with a bullish expectation from 093643 and 094589 was the target price. And guys, you can see clearly that right from the entry, this candle was closed above the entry, and then the market started to go up, and within a single long candle the market hit the target price. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must be in a huge profits today. At next, and at second last, I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay guys, I have supplied the bearish signal in case of Great Britain Pound USD. I was not expecting a big drop, but overall guys, you can see that I have supplied this bearish signal from 1 to 7779 and to 1 to 7135 was the target price, but the momentum was very much higher than we expected, and you can see the market went straight down, and we have also profited from that trade too. At last, I'm going to talk about the USDJPY, and that's the fourth signal of my signals report. So USDJPY with a bullish expectation from 104.238 and 105.763 is the target price. And guys, you can see the entry was break here on USDJPY, and it hit the target price with no problem. So overall, congratulations if you have entered the buy positions on USDJPY. So guys, throughout the week the market was quite slow, but today we have seen that the market has shown us some volatility. So guys, basically our signals hit when you know that the volatility comes into the market. Otherwise, when the market rhythm is slow, for example, let's take an example. If you look at this picture, then you can see that the market rhythm is very slow, and in such scenarios you cannot trade easily. So guys, this is what we expect from the market, and that's what we are doing a great job with our signals. So guys, moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. So the top red boundary is for the overbought levels. So whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair, and look, the pair has dropped. And whenever you see that the market is into the low red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And when the hourly candle closes above the middle blue dotted line, then you can buy more. When the candle closes below the middle dotted line, you can sell more. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or if you want to request for Skype to one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signal report, because this signal report is purely based on a trick, and if you want to learn that trick, I teach that trick for $700, and I take 3 days Skype coaching, and you will prepare the signals with me for 3 days, and after 3 days you will be able to generate your own signals on any particular pair. That's not a problem. So you can also become a signal provider in the market by using this service. So if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.